ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss important questions in chemistry PU board examination under reduced syllabus for 2021 academic year. First, solid state, if you take weightage of solid state is 2 plus 5. One 2 mark question and one 5 mark question is there. In solid state, compulsory one question is there, that is packing efficiency. 100% they will give this question for 3 marks. Packing efficiency is 100%. Either they ask simple cubic, BCC or FCC. There are more choices are there to ask on BCC and FCC. And next, second one for 3 marks, important one, the problems on density. We have the formula density is equal to Z into M by A cube into NA. On this formula there is a chance to ask the question. And next, in 2 marks there are choices to ask the questions like this. Calculate the number of particles in simple cubic, BCC, FCC. You know that in simple cubic number of particles are equal to 1, in BCC number of particles are equal to 2, and in FCC number of particles are equal to 4. Differences between amorphous and crystalline solids also important for 2 marks. Differences between Scotty defect and Frankel defect very important. We can expect that question. So you have to concentrate on these questions. In case of solid state, enough that questions. Next one, solutions. Yes, solution weightage of this lesson is 1 plus 5. Total 7 marks from this topic, and we have 1 mark question. That's why we have to concentrate more on this lesson. 2 1 mark questions are there. That's why we have to concentrate more. Mostly in 1 mark they are asking definitions. The definition of molarity, molality, mole fraction, osmotic pressure definition, reverse osmosis and application of the reverse osmosis. Effect of temperature on solubility of gas. Generally, if the temperature increases, the solubility of gas decreases. Effect of the temperature on molarity, molality, mole fraction they are asking. Molarity, so molarity is depend on the temperature, but molality, mole fraction, they does not depend on the temperature. Isotonic solution definition, hypotonic solution, hypertonic solution definition they are asking. 2 statements important, Henry's law and Raoult's law, very important. Next, in case of 3 marks, compulsory one problem they will ask the problem on relative lowering of vapor pressure. We have this formula, delta P by P naught is equal to W2 by M2 into M1 by W1. On this formula there is a chance to ask the question. So next, to elevation of boiling point and depression of freezing point, there are choices to ask the questions on this. Elevation of boiling point, we have the formula delta TB is equal to KB into W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. Next, to delta TF is equal to KF into W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. So there is a chance to ask the question. Rarely there is a chance to ask the problem on osmotic pressure. Pi V is equal to nRT. Rarely there is a chance to ask the question. Next, electrochemistry. The weightage of this lesson is 1 mark question is there, and 1 2 mark question is there, and 1 5 mark question is there. Total from this lesson there are 8 marks. So we have to concentrate more and more. First, one definite question is there, that is the problem on nest equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log concentration of product by concentration of reactants. On this formula 100%, 3 mark question they will ask. Next, there is a chance to ask the problem on molar conductivity definition and molar conductivity problems. Lambda M equal to K by 1000 into molarity. What is the unit of molar conductivity? Simon meter square mole inverse. Sometimes, so we can express the unit of molar conductivity in Simon centimeter square mole inverse. In this case, K into 1000 by M we have to take. Next to one more compulsory question, Kohlraasch law and its applications. We have two applications, total two applications. From that they may ask, they ask one application compulsory, and one problem is compulsory on delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught. 2 marks problem, there is a chance to ask on this 2 marks problem. Next, rarely there is a chance to ask the equilibrium constant, antilog of E naught into 0.059 by N. On this formula there is a chance to ask the problem. Limiting molar conductivity is very, very important. What is the limiting molar conductivity? The molar conductivity at infinity dilution is known as limiting molar conductivity. So that is the important. And there is a choice to ask a graph on lambda m versus square root of concentration. How we will get the graph? Look at here. In case of weak electrolyte like acetic acid, we will get the graph like this. And in case of strong electrolyte, how we will get the graph? Straight line with a negative slope, we will get this kind of graph. This is the graph for strong electrolyte, and this is the graph for what? Weak electrolytes. And next to, there is a chance to ask the question on effect of dilution on molar conductivity and conductivity. On dilution, molar conductivity increases. On dilution, conductivity decreases. Next to factors affecting the nature of products during electrolysis, that is also important. Electrokinetics is the lesson. From this lesson, one mark question is there, and one 2 mark question, and one 5 mark question is there. Overall, from this lesson, 8 marks weightage. And what questions are important for chemical kinetics? Integrated equation important, case of zero order reaction as well as first order reaction. And there is a chance to ask problem on half lifetime of first order. What formula we have? T of is equal to 0.693 by K. K is the rate constant. And there is a chance to ask the question on pseudo first order reaction and example. You know that the hydrolysis of ester is best example for pseudo first order reaction. Differences between order and molecularity also very, very important. So maybe there is a chance to ask 2 mark question or 3 mark question from this. Example for zero order reaction and example for first order reaction compulsory important. Units of rate constant. Based on the units of rate constant, there is a chance to ask 1 mark question. For suppose in examination they will give rate constant K is equal to 2.0 into 10 power minus 3 second inverse. And what is the order of this reaction they are asking? Second inverse means first order. So like this type of questions there is a chance to ask. Next to surface chemistry lesson. In surface chemistry, so total weightage 1 mark question plus 5 mark question. So one mark question is there, that's why we have to concentrate more. And there is a chance to ask the questions in between, differences between physical absorption and chemical absorption, and lyophilic salts and lyophobic salts. We can expect 100% physical adsorption and chemical adsorption question. Next to Hardy-Suger rule is there. On that there is a chance to ask the question. Brownian movement, what is the cause for it? Tyndall effect, what is the cause for it? Peptidization process definition. Next to Zeta potential, it is important for 1 mark. Kraft temperature also important for 1 mark. Electrophoresis, 1 mark question it is. Next one, Freundlich adsorption isotherm. So it is important for 1 mark. We have the formula x by m is equal to k into p to the power 1 by n. Like elements. So from this lesson there are 2 1 mark questions are there, and there are 3 mark questions are there. Overall from this lesson 11 marks. And what topics are important for 3 marks purpose? Haber's process and Ostwald process. From these two, 1 question is compulsory. Anomalous properties and reasons. Anomalous properties and reasons of nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are important. Write the structure of the following important. Oxo acids of chlorine like hypochlorous acid, chlorous acid, chloric acid. Oxo acid structures important, and even in case of sulfur also oxo acid structures are important like sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid. Water interhalogen compounds and give an example important. Next, aqua regia. What is aqua regia and what is the composition of oleum? And along with this we can expect one more question from this Deacon's process. Deacon's process also important. Next, you know that they are asking give reason type of questions. For suppose ICl is more reactive than iodine. What is the reason? Because in iodine and chlorine there is a weak bond dissociation energy is less, that's why it is more reactive interhalogen compound it is. H2O is a liquid but H2S is a gas. What is the reason? It has intermolecular hydrogen bond. Fluorine exhibits only -1 oxidation state. What is the reason? Because of high electronegativity it exhibits -1 oxidation state. So like that, give reason type of questions they are asking. And next type of questions, complete the following reaction. So they will give the equation and they will ask balance the equation. And in the next video I will discuss so many examples, and this is the part 1 important question. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and next video also please watch the next video, and I will give 100% updates every day. Whatever the important questions I will discuss. Next, to see this reaction. Complete the following reaction. SO2Cl2, what is the product we will get? SO2Cl2 we will get. PbS plus 4O3 means lead sulfide react with ozone, then what is the product we will get? PbSO4 is the product. And what is the product here? ClF3 is the product. Like this way they are asking complete the following reactions. Next, 1 mark question. 2 1 mark questions they will give from group 18 elements. Group 18 elements. What questions we have to remember? Just I want to discuss with you. What is the first noble gas compound prepared? Xenon hexafluoroplatinate 6 is the first compound, and they are asking balancing equations like this. Xenon hexafluoride react with water, then what is the product we will get? XeO3 is the product we will get. Like this type of questions they are asking, you have to concentrate on hydrolysis reactions and preparation of XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. And one more question, write the structure of the compound they are asking. Write the structure of compound. XeF2, XeF4, XeF6, XeO3 and XeOF4. Total we have 5 compounds. From that there is a chance to ask any one compound structure. Okay, and along with this, so many questions are there like why noble gases are inert? Because of their fully filled electronic configuration, they are inert in nature. The remaining questions I will do next video, part 2. Please watch that also, and please subscribe my channel.